when self-appeasement overshadows real merit. In many educational institutions, genuine academic merit should be the foundation of recognition. Ideally, good teaching, research publications, seminar organization, mentoring, and academic leadership must shape a teacher's reputation. However, in some places, self-appeasement practices such as giving gifts, bringing cakes for every occasion, writing flattery petitions, or constantly taking selfies with institutional heads ironically receive more visibility and appreciation than true academic work. This creates an unhealthy atmosphere where loyalty is rewarded more than competence, and appeasement is treated as achievement. Over time, this damages both morale and institutional progress. Why this happens? 1. Visibility over substance. Hard work like preparing lessons or writing papers remains invisible, but taking selfies with the head of the institution is very visible. 2. Favor culture. Some administrative heads respond more to personal gestures than professional quality. 3. Fear and insecurity. Staff may believe that pleasing higher ups guarantees safety and opportunities, even without competence. 4. Lack of clear evaluation systems. When institutions do not have structured performance assessments, informal influences dominate. Illustrative example. At Green Valley College, 2 lecturers joined the department in the same year. Dr. Meera, known for her subject mastery, and Mr. Ravi, known for his social skills. Dr. Meera prepared detailed lesson plans, published 2 quality research papers, organized a national seminar with strict academic standards, helped students prepare for competitive exams, rated highly in student feedback. Mr. Ravi regularly brought cakes and sweets for the office, took selfies with the principal during every event, wrote flattering notes and petitions praising the administration, volunteered for non-academic, photo op activities, made sure his presence was noticed during VIP visits. When the yearly appraisal came, the administration praised Mr. Ravi for his active involvement in institutional activities, because his gestures were visible, loud, and politically safe. Meanwhile, Drive. Meera received only routine remarks because her academic contributions, though significant, were quiet and not highlighted. Students respected Drive. Meera, but the system rewarded Mr. Ravi. Impact on the institution. Meritorious staff feel discouraged. Mediocrity grows. Academic culture weakens. Students ultimately suffer. When self-appeasement becomes a shortcut, the institution loses its academic character. Conclusion. Recognition should always be based on merit, academic contribution, integrity, and student development. If superficial acts like gifts and flattery overshadow real work, the institution becomes hollow. A healthy educational environment needs transparent evaluation, respect for scholarship, and encouragement for genuine academic excellence.